Today I'm going to create Kubernetes cluster in Google Cloud Platform. It's called JKE, Google Cloud Kubernetes Engine. So first you have to log in with your Google platform, then you have to activate your billing account, you have to create your project, then you have to select your project, and that project should be attached with your billing account. Okay, then after you have to go to the search and you have to search cluster, and here Kubernetes cluster. Next step is creating cluster using create button. So there are two different type of clusters. So one is JKE standard and JK autopilot. There will be some differences for that payment and memory resources. So I'm not going to explain that one currently. So I'm going to put my name, some name. So DK Go SQL cluster 001, networking public private network options. Just next create. We have to wait for some time while cluster creation is on progress. You see here all detail will come. Once cluster will be created, so cluster, and after creation of that we will activate Cloud Shell. So as cluster is in progress mode, creation is in progress, so I am not able to see here cluster detail. So this is integrated in the same browser. We can go outside as well in new windows. So just I'm clicking on that, and after clicking on that we have to detach from here, close. We are here. So see here, now cluster is ready. So you can see here all details about the cluster and endpoints and IPs. So the next, to connect that cluster created now, so we have to go to the connect and you have to copy this all command and run in Cloud Shell, which I have opened here. Command that is authorized, you have to authorize that. It's now connected. So you see, now you can see here version of kubectl. Okay, so now see version of is v1.22 and we have to check kubectl get pod. So here is nothing. So we have not created any resources now. So now I have to create the resource, and using that resource kubectl create deployment and name of the server and name of the image. So now I'm going to copy and paste here. Now you can see here pod is created. It's work in progress, not done. It will take some time. You can see here now cluster is ready. Okay, so same we have to expose. Okay, using command kubectl expose deployment name and type load balancer and then their port. See, this is also exposed. Now you can see here describing the ports. Okay, so after refreshing this browser, you can see here our deployment is done and we are able to see deployment and running here. As you can see that after creation of nodes and images, now pod is ready and I have exposed that API. Then you can see here I am getting that external call from this API. Okay, so if I am going to put country by 99, this is coming data from our API. So it's very simple to create Kubernetes cluster on Google and using Kubernetes and deploying your application. Thank you.